Christmas time in Fiji, and we finally had some family fly up from Australia, with my sister Cassidy joining us.
You too, Kieran!
This week we sailed to and explore an island called Monteriki, better known as Castaway Island, where the ever-famous Tom Hanks movie Castaway was shot. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to keep up with our adventure. Cheers.
Very good morning from sailing Merewether. It is a beautiful morning. Cassidy and Kieran is just putting up the anchor now, and they're killing it. Excuse me. I just cleaned up the kitchen, and we are very excited because today we are going to Monteriki, which is also known as the Castaway Island, where they filmed Castaway. We've been somewhat close to this area for a couple of weeks now, but we have not gone up there because we wanted to do it with Cassidy. So we are very excited to finally go here. Yesterday we actually watched some episodes of Survivor because they're filming it on this island here. And it was very cool to see all the sceneries which we see when they're stranded here and doing the whole Survivor. Now we're just going up, I think it's less than 5-10 nautical miles up to Monteriki and Castaway Island. Let's check in on our captain. Hey!
Hello.
Good morning!
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 Your phone?
Thank you so
Captain?
much, darling. Won't be able to go anywhere without this thing.
Well, we would, but maybe we'll hit some bummies.
Yeah, that's true.
No biggie.
No biggie.
Just a damaged boat or two.
G'day.
How are you feeling today?
Quite well, actually. Considering I got to sleep at like 1 a.m. I was just like honed in on Survivor last night. I just couldn't sleep, and I watched like I think at least 5 or 6 episodes, mainly because this is where it's shot.
Yeah.
And they're doing all these beautiful scenic shots, and it's looking fantastic, and I just couldn't get enough of it, to be honest. And we're going to Monteriki, which is one of the islands where the Survivor contestants are stranded. So I just loved to kind of like experience that from a professional point of view as a Survivor. I think they're up to 42 seasons now, which is just insane. 7th season here in Fiji, and I think around these islands.
Yeah.
So yeah, very, very got addicted to just watching that last night. So I'm feeling great.
That's good. That's good. How many nautical miles is it?
Ooh, I will tell you, it's not much. 7.
7.
It's a long sail today.
Perfect. There's
You know?
hardly no wind.
I think it's a great day to motor it.
You too, Kieran!
Merry Christmas!
Okay, and dolphin now.
Dolphin.
What is this? Goose. You sound like Mum waking me up in the morning.
There's a big old reef there we don't want to hit. Okay, so we're just coming up onto Monoriki or Castaway Island. Got a little 9 knots from the side of us, but we haven't got a sail up. There is a squall on the horizon which I don't like, so I think we're going to put an anchor down and try and make the most while we can before this cloud cover comes over. It is rainy season here in Fiji and it's just kind of expected, unfortunately. That's alright, you're going to take the good with the bad. How is the crew feeling?
Superb. Very good.
I've got a superb over here and I've got a very good over here.
We're excited. Wilson! Wilson!
Wilson!
Wilson!
Unfortunately, the anchorages aren't that adequate around here, so we're just doing a few laps of the bay trying to find something that's half good but struggling. But we're having a great little sightseeing adventure. Look at this whole island. This isn't Monoriki, this is the one next door, and I'm going to find out the name right now. But just the sheer volume of cliffs and vegetation and everything coming out. Whoa. So you might be able to see there's a shelf of reef right here, and this blue water we're in, it's about 15 to 20 to 21 meters. If we put out all the chain we could swing in there if the wind changed, unfortunately. Alright, so we have put down anchor in this spot which I was just telling you about. We had a little circle around and I was quite comfortable with the idea of putting it down in about 15 to 17 meters of depth. We've backed up into the reef and I've put it hard in reverse to test the anchor and really set it, and we can't hit the reef, that's for sure. The only other issue is possibly if wind picks up tonight we could drag off the reef or off the sandbar and into the ocean. But I'll be putting an anchor alarm on just in case to cover that idea. But yeah, this place is amazing.
So
nice. No swearing on the vlog, but how is it, Cass?
It's flippin' beautiful.
Flippin' beautiful.
Living beauty. Woman hard at work.
Yeah, she's a good girl, isn't she? Well done, baby.
Smashing
Ready? Sorry, my bad. I thought I had one more wrap off than I did. So the engine didn't hit, did it? We're whispering because we're drifting in the dinghy away from the boat where Cassidy is sleeping.
Yes,
So.
she didn't get much sleep last night, so she's taking a midday nap, and we are going to explore.
She's not feeling the best either.
No.
It's a bit concerning. You don't really want to go on holidays and feel like crap. So we're just trying to really give her as much time and space and water and fluids and everything to get better.
Yep.
So yeah, we're gonna go check out
Monoriki.
Castaway Island,
Yes.
also Survivor Island. This place has been in a lot of different media.
Yep. Yes.
So it's beautiful from what we can see now.
Yep.
I'm really looking forward to going discovering it.
Yeah, it looks unreal.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
You think you can turn it on now?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We'll see if she wakes up.
We made it! It is so beautiful. We haven't seen water this clear in Fiji anywhere else. And I really love the turquoise, like the different shades of blue. It's just incredible. Kieran is just anchoring the dinghy off now. We're gonna explore this beautiful spot. No, it's okay.
How about it?
Not bad spot. I don't say so myself. Could spend 3 years here, like Tom Hanks.
But you need food though.
Yeah, that's what I'm interested in. I'm really interested to see how long somebody could live off the land in a place like this, because it is quite high, so you've got probably a bit of rain coming through here in the rainy season. It's very green.
Yeah.
I'd be interested to see the types of, obviously you got your coconuts, but what else you could eat. It's very
Fish,
interesting.
crabs.
Fish, crabs, yeah, but I'm thinking like fruit. Do you reckon they got bananas, pawpaws?
I think we should go check it out.
Yeah, I think we should. So this is actually the treacherous reef that Tom Hanks couldn't get past when he was trying to leave the island. Doesn't look that treacherous to me.
No.
Really looks like a quite easy sail out, but hey.
It looks stunning, but...
Say again?
It looks stunning, absolutely beautiful. Oh.
We are making a hasty retreat back to the water's edge. We understand why Tom Hanks needed shoes on this island.
Yes.
We're getting absolutely nailed by the heat. And there's these little spiky thingies that attack your feet. Woo! Back to the water, please.
Okay.
Let's do it. Where's your shoes, you silly duffer, hey? Honestly, Survivor Island without shoes?
Look at this.
Pushed me.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a relic.
Unfortunately, soon after this day, Isabel and I both caught the flu that Cassidy had been suffering from, and it really put us in a bad way. Even with being sick, we still managed to make the most out of Christmas. With presents, smiles and family, it was a much needed occasion after sailing the world for so long.